nagsagutan kami kanina mga loves. Kasi nga, ang pinag-usapan is tungkol sa pain. And then siya naman, diretsahan siya. Ang realidad daw sa buhay is, mga ano daw mawala. Be real na lang tayo mga loves talaga. Sa totoo lang, kung meron kang dalang pera sa Pilipinas, doon ka mag-retire. The truth is, if we retire in the Philippines, bago po tayo mag-real talk mga loves at yung sagot ni Mr. about retiring sa Pinas na magpunta mo na tayong bangko kasi kailangan natin yung retirement nga, no? Kailangan natin. So ngayon, nagpunta kami sa bangko at pagkatapos namin lumabas na kami yun, mayroon kayo nakikitang dalawang malaking envelope dyan. Sa bangko yan galing. At yun, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung anong mga pinagagawa namin doon mga loves. Real talk tayo. Yeah, I know, but it's quick over here. Tommy ba always making fun of me. Every time I do grocery, I don't look at the. He always told me I don't look at the price. I don't look at. Seriously, honey?
You don't seriously.
I look. If I like it, I don't care the price.
So I got little pieces of lechon, and I only paid this much money for it.
He always make fun of me because he always said even he is a shopaholic. He's always looking for prices. Well, there's a hole in here.
But it's a point.
I know you do, but the way you spend it, the same thing is you spend a lot of money.
I get a lot more.
And then
spend the same money, I'll come back with a lot more than you come back with. Alright, go tell them what you do with your IRA now.
Huh?
Tell them what you do with the IRA.
What is it with my IRA?
Look it up.
Yeah, guys, I have a. Some people said, oh, you have to work, blah, 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 because like, yeah, I know, it's just like, but you cannot tell me what to do with my life. And so, because no retirement something, and, okay, so now we apply for IRA for me. We should apply for 401k, but we're not allowed because, we're allowed, but we have to file something shit like that. So, when I look online how much the thing, mga labs, I read it backward. I mean backward is like his amount, it should be my amount. Like how much you deposit, right? I deposit, hun? So I thought his should be small amount. It's not. It's nothing small about it.
Nothing small.
Nothing is small about it.
Well, we screwed them up in the bank because we gave them the wrong numbers and they tried to do the wrong numbers and confuse it.
Yeah, so the wrong number, yeah, we have. What is shit, honey? Seriously? So IRA is a retirement, right?
What stands for Individual Retirement Account.
Individual Retirement Account. So IRA. So ito guys, Tommy told me you cannot take your money until you're like 65 and 62 or 65 now.
Yeah.
Sooner or later will be 72. So Tommy can take his money, but me, if I take money, I get penalty in my own account, mga loves. Kapag kunin mo yung pera mo na sa'yo, magpi-penalty ka, mga loves, kasi you can only take that money out when you are retired.
There's a reason for the penalty.
What is the reason for penalty?
Because the government says, alright, so we did not tax you on this much money. So now if you take it out early, then you got the benefit of the government not taxing you, and then you took the money. No, so now they're going to penalize you for the taxes you didn't pay on it.
Ah. Didn't.
They're not going to let you cheat them. You can read it as the government.
That's funny. That is funny.
No,
I don't want the thing.
What do you want?
No, I feel like having my own food, not like I have okra over there.
Oh.
Okra is waiting. So yun, meron na kaming retirement. So meron na akong retirement, mga loves. And every year, I have to put something. What's up, honey? This guy will go first. So every year, you have to add something, love.
You don't have to.
Yeah, but
you could or you don't. It's up to you.
It's up to you if you wanna put something for the year, okay? And then if you put something, the government will know that also.
Yes. deduct that much from the taxes. Yes, because that's the whole idea. So you don't get taxed. So you get taxed on it when you retire, and you got less money coming in, and your tax rate is lower. That's the idea. You still get taxed on it, but instead of paying, 40% tax, maybe when you're retired, you get no money coming in, you only pay 25% tax. So you pay less.
Okay. So pagtanda natin, meron tayong kukunin. So hindi talaga ako pwede umalis sa Amerika, mga loves. Pwede naman, mga loves, pero I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung dito ako tatanda. Kung ako lang mag-isa in the future, hindi ako pwede dito tatanda. Pero bakasyon-bakasyon, I think okay siya. So yan. Maganda man din yung buhay dito kung meron kang pera. Pag walang pera, talagang ang hirap din ang buhay dito. Pero sa Pinas pa rin ang maganda pa rin yung buhay sa Pilipinas. Lalo na kapag meron kang dalang dolyares, ay nako. Birial na lang tayo mga loves talaga. Sa totoo lang, kung meron kang dalang pera sa Pilipinas, doon ka mag-retire. The truth is, if we retire in the Philippines and then we bring dollar, the life is very easy. Even 6 months, 3 months. But,
no.
Look, ayaw talaga niya mga loves. Don't know talaga daw.
All things change. You never know what's going to be 6 months from now or 6 years from now.
Wala.
Hello.
What's up?
What's up, man?
Ito pala yun mga loves. Kailangan ditong, di ba marami po sa inyong nagsasabi na kailangang may retirement. So, itong retirement ni Tami, meron naman siya, pag 60 makuha na niya. Ako din, ngayon lang ako nag-open. Mag-open sana ako, that was last year sana, na 401k, 409. Basta 409, basta hiwan, mga basta 444 something. At hindi mo siya makukuha until 65 or So, okay lang yan, ganyan. Sabi ko, okay lang yan. Para siyang savings na you cannot touch. I think okay lang yan. Kasi ayaw ko mga ganito mga loves, lalo na alam nyo na. So, magbihis lang ako. So, itong si Tami, marami naman niya siyang retirements, meron siyang social security, gano'n. Pero ako, gusto kong mag-save ng money. Para siyang savings na hindi talaga siya magalaw. Kasi wala akong kaalam-alam nito mga loves. Pero alam ko, kailangan talagang may retirement. Pero, yan. Meron na tayong retirement. And every year maglagay ako. So, malaki din yung nilalagay namin kasi nga dahil sa income ko. Dahil nag-advise yung aming ganito pala dapat mga loves, lalo na kapag wala kang trabaho and then may income ka sa mga sa social media, kailangan mong mag-save ng pera, retirement, ganun. So, yun yung ginagawa namin. Magbihis lang ako mga loves. Alam nyo, itong cellphone ko mga loves, itong gamit ko, ito yung cellphone ko, ito yung gamit ko ngayon. This is 13 Pro Max. So, ngayon, ang mga cellphone mga loves, naghanap ako kasi yung charger ko is takes forever mga loves. Hindi talaga siya mag-charge ng ilang minuto Kasi gusto ko yung charger sa cellphone. Kanang original na charger ba? Sobrang nipis na niya o hindi katulad noong sobrang kapal. So, gusto ko ng charger na regular na charger nitong cellphone. Kaso, hindi po kasama mga loves sa mahal-mahal ng pinagbabayad-bayad mo nitong mga cellphone na ito. Sobrang mahal, grabe. Hindi walang kasamang yung parang pang saksak ba? Wala. Wire lang na sobrang short pa yung wire. So, sabi ko, ang mahal-mahal nitong mga cellphone na ito at wala pang hindi kumpleto. No? Grabe talaga ang mahal ng mga hingi nila sa mga presyuhan nila pero hindi kumpleto yung mga nasa laman, nasa loob. Grabe talaga. Kasi usually yung mga binibili ni Tami, yung ginagamit ko, yung mga sobrang haba na mga wire, mga loves charger. Kaso talaga, sobrang tagal. It takes whole day to charge, fully charge. So kaya sabi ko sarili ko, gusto kong gamitin ngayon, wala pala. Wala. So ngayon na yun. Magbihis lang ako. It's windy.
Huh?
It's windy.
Have the window open.
Why you wake up? Huh?
Because I do every day.
Okay, go back to sleep, okay? Look. Go back to sleep, okay?
You could. You can close the window by the bed.
Yeah, close this
I was
thing.
just sweating to death.
Mahangin pero gustong-gusto ng pusa. Nagsagutan kami kanina mga labs kasi itong asawa ko grabe kapag magsalita. Hindi ko kaya may mawala sa amin. Ay nako. The kids. Tommy, where are you going? I thought you're leaving at 12. You said you're leaving 12. 11 or 7. So sit here. Mahal na yung mga anak niya. Kaya pag sabi ko na imaginin mo na lang na mawala yun sila. Oh, hindi na lang natin isipin na tayo, yung anak natin, yung mga alaga. Sabi ko, isipin mo na lang yung pusa mo, yung mga aso mo. Oh, hindi kayang imaginin. Oh, kung paano na ako mag-imagine na mawala silang lahat. Niya ako na lang. Ay, nako. Sabi ko, paano yan kung ako yung mawala and then iwan ko kayo? Ano ma-feel mo? Hindi daw yun reality. Ang realidad is hindi natin alam kung ano mangyari. And the reality is we really don't know. It's not about you first, me next. No, it's not. The reality is we don't know.
Reality is.
Okay? No. We don't know. So don't even talk about it. I'm just opening something about in the 10 years from now we will be helping each other standing up because my back is killing me.
You don't like reality.
No, when you mention about you and the kids, then can you imagine? Rox, can you imagine? I love you. And Dada, I don't know if you can imagine that to the little boy. I love you so much. I love you so much. I love you. These are my kids. Misty, I need to shower her first before I kiss her because kissing her is need cleaning first. I don't clean her. I will clean her today. Right, monkey? Right, baby? Yeah, he's working today. You don't know what time you'll be home.
Late.
Like what late? You said you just do install. You see that for the movie.
I'm not getting at it until like 1 o'clock.
Hello, seriously?
I'm sorry.
No. Seriously?
No, I'm not getting
Everybody's sleeping already.
I'm not getting at it until like 11 o'clock. Everybody's sleeping already. What are you thinking?
1 o'clock, seriously?
11.
Why you said 1? Are you
Because
speaking?
that's the whole time I should be getting home, hopefully.
Okay. Sakit ng likod ko. Uy, grabe kanina pa ito mga loves. Kaninang umaga yung likod ko. Hala, uy, nag-40 ako talaga. Nag-40. Ito na talaga yung naramdaman ko sa mga katawan ko. Yung knee ko, I can't fold my knee long enough. And then now my back. What is wrong with that? I need exercise. That's it. Hello, what's wrong with this? Sorry. Nagsagutan kami kanina mga labs. Kasi nga, ang pinag-usapan is tungkol sa pain. And then siya naman, diretsahan siya. Ang realidad daw sa buhay is, mga ano daw, mawala na siya. Anong isipin mo mga labs kung ganyan yung mga pinagsasabi? Anong maramdaman mo?
You will bite my finger off.
Yeah, tumaas yung boses ko, of course. Tumaas yung boses ko. Ano yung pinagalitan ko, bakit ganyan na lang palagi niya iniisip.
Last.
Sabi ko, imaginin mo naman na pag iwan mo kami, ako, mga anak. Oh, paano yan kung mawala daw
Get
niya?
you done, guys.
Sabi pa niya. Yung mga anak daw niya din mawala. Kasi yun daw yun. Kasi ang ano buhay ng mga hayop, mga loves, nasa ano lang, 15 to 16. You're my... Hala, you smell something, hon. Curling machine.
You smell curling machine?
Oh no, it's a curling medicine. Like to curl the hair. Oh, it's the shampoo. I'm going to have eggs scrambled. Do you want some scrambled egg?
No, thank you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.